My name is Jennifer Lawrence from the Body Conscious Laser Clinic, and I brought to Australia the very first purpose-built laser for permanent hair reduction, and that was back in 1996, and I have been doing so ever since then, and we have had over 40,000 clients in our clinic. I'm about to do on Sharon some laser on her upper lip, and I'm going to talk you through this procedure. What I have done is I have actually marked out Sharon in the area of which I am about to treat, and that is her upper lip where she has hair. I have actually shaved the hair off so that there will not be any hair above the skin, so that we will not have any interruption, and that the laser light will go beneath the skin and all the hair will be disabled down into the root and kill all the hair at the follicle. It is not an IPL, it is a laser especially designed and purpose-built for hair removal only. Right, we're about to begin now. Just tell me if it's uncomfortable, Sharon.
Fine.
I'm now applying to Sharon's upper lip, and I do so particularly on the face, some sunscreen, and this is a 75 plus sunscreen with some post laser lotion, and this is just to make sure that when she leaves the clinic that her skin is well prepared and covered in case of the sun when she gets outside. So that area is now finished, and no one will know that she's actually had anything done at all. Now with Sharon's underarm, what I have done is pre-shave the area, and I have marked it out so that I can see where I'm going. Now if you do not mark out the area, it is impossible to know where on earth you are treating a client. If you do not do that, then you do not know where you are to treat. So to be very thorough in treating a client, it is best to mark out the area, and then the whole area is immediately treated. I have just sprayed onto Sharon an aftercare product to settle the skin down. And what I like to do, just as a slight little touch with my clients, is spray on some deodorant as well, particularly for summer. Now we are going to begin Sharon's G-string. So I've marked out the area, I've pre-shaved it, and with the laser we're now going to go over the area. I've preset the laser on a particular setting for the colour of her skin as well. Here we go. How's that feeling, Sharon? This is a slower pulse, but for darker skin types it's safer because you have quite a bit of colour. How does it feel when I'm using the laser?
Yeah, just a slight prickly sort of sensation.
Good. That part's finished. Now I'm going to begin to do the sides of Sharon's G-string, and we'll finish up. Sharon will now have be hair free for summer, and will have a very sexy, smooth bikini line. The biggest demand I do have in this clinic is actually for Brazilian and underarm packages, and following that, I suppose I would have a less than 1% demand for G-strings, but overall it is actually Brazilians and underarms. Now when I say I do the Brazilian, I do what's called a triple Brazilian, and that is the back and the front. I do a complete and thorough job so that absolutely nothing is missed. So it doesn't matter how brief a G-string you're wearing, no hair will ever be seen again. And thank you, Sharon, very much for being my client today.
Thank you.
And as you can see, there's really no pain involved. I treat as young as 7-year-old girls, and their mothers bring them into me because they may have a hairy upper lip, or they may even have hairy little legs. So it's for all ages, hair removal, permanent hair removal.